Dr. Sanjay, while he was in ISBT, like he came out with the concept, science for the society and import substitution. If you see several things, like I had a privilege to be in ISBT for 3-4 months after he like completion of his tenure, and I saw that the progress or the position where ISBT has reached during his tenure. Like you can see, like heme cultivation for import substitution, monk fruit, then dalchini, number of product. You can see tulip cultivation. Before that, all the bulbs were being imported. Like he came out with the technology that all the tulip bulb will be developed here only, and you see lots of tulips nowadays in Delhi, and that is because of hard work and like hard work by him and his team, so that all of this import substitution was created. If you see aroma mission like Golden Revolution, like that is one thing which is making India import substitution in the area of essential oil. Under his able leadership, when he was theme director, like three projects were mission projects were formed, and that was his basically leadership and objective, like aroma mission, floriculture mission, and phytopharmaceutical mission. And I must tell that all these three projects are still being continued by CSIR and have created lots of change in our scientific thinking and scientific work. On this occasion, I also welcome our own Dr. Tyagiji, Dr. Gothwal, Dr. A.K. Singh ji, I see Dr. Samad, Dr. Bansal, all our senior scientists, students. I see lots of farmers here, industry partners. So I welcome all of you on this 66th foundation of CSIR's CMAP. As Dr. Sanjay already mentioned, that this institute was formed as SIMPO in 1959 by Sri P.M. Nabar. He was like first administrator, I will say, for this institute. And after that, Professor K.N. Kaul, B.N. Mitra, Dr. Ganpati, Yasi Datta, and then came Dr. And in 1978, this was named as CSIR CMAP. And after that, several directors, leaders like R.S. Thakur, Dr. Sushil Kumar, S.P.S. Khanuja, Ramdas Sekharan, Dr. Anil Tripathi, was kept for this institute to work on medicinal and aromatic plants. Institute has been doing this for last 6 decades. And what was envisaged that time that we will develop India as for the import substitution of medicinal and aromatic plants. And I must tell that several crops like menthol mint, we are for last 25 years one of the largest producer and exporter. More than 80% of menthol mint is produced in India, and that is Dr. B. Tyagi is sitting here. He has done lots of work, and I must tell that whatever success we'll see in the area of menthol mint is because of his dedication and hard work. Then if you see now, because of aroma mission, we are now created import substitution in lemongrass. Now we are self-sufficient in palm roja, vetiver, like whatever we were importing meet our demand. CMAP on medicinal and aromatic plants on different aspects like agronomy, bioprospection, biotechnology, product development, phytochemistry. In all the areas CMAP is working, plant production. And in all the areas, I must tell you that nowadays most of the facilities which are required for any institute to do science in the area, basically plant sciences. Those facilities are present here, and sure with the new scientists, like this year only 10 new scientists are joined. So new workforce is here, old experience is here, because lots of scientists in different areas, those who have done good work are here. So I'm sure that in future is very bright, and in coming years CSIR CMAP is going to do very well. Like if you see publications record in last 1 year, more than 100 publications came, and with average impact of more than 4.5, which is I feel that for any plant institute that is a very good number. Not only that, CSIR CMAP, as like we are showing you for the sustainable cluster, under Aroma Mission and under different projects with the industry, CSIR CMAP has developed number of sustainable cluster with total circular economy and additional income to the farmers. So there nothing goes waste. Whatever even de-oiled herb is there, that is also being utilized to give additional income to the farmers. We have been working in different tribal areas. I must tell you that across the country, CSIR CMAP has developed 20 tribal clusters, and we have increased income of farmers more than threefold in those areas. And when we go there, the happiness you see on their faces, you really feel proud of team CSIR CMAP that they have done this kind of work. CSIR CMAP has developed number of new facilities here, and that will add to the work being done at CSIR CMAP on medicinal and aromatic plants. I am sure that coming years are very bright. Young scientists here, all the students here are utilizing those facilities, and you will see, like in next 2-3 years, whatever we have achieved in these years, in last few years, we will see success at the exponential rate. So thank you very much, Dr. Sanjay, for giving us time. On one phone call, you really agreed to be here. I really thank you, and I thank all the our guests who have come here and gracing this occasion. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your wonderful address.